There's a connector in Claude that most people haven't turned on. It takes about a minute, and once you do, Claude can read every meeting that you have ever had. The way that you use Claude will change overnight. So here's a very real scenario that happened to me. So about 2 minutes before a client call, I couldn't remember what I committed to on the last meeting that we had about 3 weeks before. So I went into Claude, I asked what was decided, what were the action items. About 10 seconds later, I had a list of things with timestamps, what I promised, what was the next steps. That's about the smallest version of what this connector will do. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you 5 prompts that you can paste into Claude on day 1 with the exact setup that I use to solve this problem every single time. So first, let's set this up. In Claude, go to Customize, Connectors, click the plus button, Browse Connectors, type in FELLOW, Fellow AI. Click connect, sign in, authorize, and you're done. No API keys, no configurations, no developer modes. 2 things to know going into this MCP. First, if you're on a team plan, an admin has to enable MCPs on your workspace level. On the Fellow side, it's a 1-switch toggle on the admin settings. Claude will only pull transcripts, summaries, action items, decisions, attendees. It can't write back to Fellow, and it can't delete anything. Permissions are inherent from Fellow, so Claude only sees the meetings that you have access to. Let's spend some time talking about what this partnership actually looks like across this MCP. So Fellow, who's sponsoring this video, is doing the part that Claude can't. So it will join your meetings, whether you're on Zoom, Meet, Teams, Slack huddles, even in person, to capture everything. It structures everything as it goes. Decisions go in the decisions field. Action items, as you're talking, will go into an action item field with the owners attached. Open questions will get tagged. Attendees are recorded as people, not just names buried in a transcript wall. So having an MCP that can capture and structure your information makes it easier to use Claude. So then Claude can access the Fellow's rich data to provide reasoning across meetings. So when Claude reaches into Fellow to find what you've committed to in a meeting, it's reading a record where your commitments are already tagged with your name. One more thing worth noting if you're planning on using Fellow, Fellow is built with security and compliance at its core. Unlike most AI note takers, IT leaders and regulated industries can set specific policies around data access and permission. So if your organization is in healthcare, finance, or legal, it's built for those items. Let's jump into the actual prompt so I can show you what the power of this connector looks like. Let me go back to chat. I'm going to start a new chat. I'm going to show you what it looks like before a follow-up call. So let's say you're 2 minutes before a meeting where you've talked to someone before, and this one tells you what you've committed to, what they've committed to, and what's still open with the exact language so you don't have to paraphrase yourself. I have a call with a person or company coming up, pull from Fellow every meeting that we've had and give me 3 things: what I committed to, what they committed to, and what's still open. Use the exact language from the meeting, quote me and quote them directly so I don't paraphrase a commitment to something I didn't actually say. I'm gonna run this with a customer that I just got to show you what it looks like. So it's reaching into Fellow on the back end. So you can see that it goes through my information. It pulls specific things, who said what and when, and it has all the timestamps. So if you are trying to prepare for a meeting, you don't know what was said, this is all the things that it will capture. So let's move on to the second prompt. So Friday afternoon, this will tell you what you promised for the week, what you say you would do that week that you haven't done. It'll group your people, your deadlines. And so this will be the prompt that catches all the things that maybe would be a Monday morning apology, but you can get it done ahead of time. So let's jump to a new chat. Look across all my Fellow meetings from this week, find anything that I said I would do, every action item or verbal commitment with my name on it and that I haven't clearly closed out. Fellow will be able to connect to your project management systems, so everything will be able to work together and you can have them check your projects and the meetings that you were in, see what hasn't been done. I think all of my to-do lists are done for this week, so I'm going to see if anything comes up, but we will find out together. I marked everything as done. Let's move on to the third prompt. This is when a project is going sideways and you need to figure out when that started. Claude will read the meetings, the transcripts, and find the moment the timeline slipped, tells you what was said about that. This one is going to be saving you hours of time going back and forth. So let's review. Say the project name timeline is off track. Read every meeting where this project came up in chronological order. Find the first meeting where the timeline actually slipped, the moment the original date stopped being realistic. Tell me what was said about it and the timeline, who said it, and what was decided or not decided in response. It'll pull information from Fellow. It will make the judgments on when was discussed, what was the kind of sentiment around it, and pinpoint the place where this project went off track. Number 4, settling factual disputes. You might have had a Slack DM where you and a teammate are arguing about what a client agreed to. You can run this and you have the actual quote in 15 seconds, saving you a lot of headache. Search my Fellow meetings for where client and topic were discussed and give me an actual quote, who said what, in which meeting, and the date, just the record, not your interpretations. That will give you an actual play-by-play of what was said to resolve the disputes. Number 5 is drafting a recap. Right after a meeting ends, you can ask Claude to read the meeting and what Fellow just captured. It'll draft the recap email in your voice and save it to your drafts if you have Microsoft or Gmail saved. 5 minutes after the meeting, the recap is ready for your review and you can send. The thing that most people are dreading after a meeting is now done in 1 minute. So let me show you what that prompt looks like. Read the meeting that Fellow just captured with person, company, draft a recap email, a short summary of the decisions and the action items with the owners and dates. Match how I normally write, and then you add your tone notes, save it to my Gmail draft so I can review and send. Claude isn't joining your meetings live. It's reading what Fellow's captured. You always have access to Fellow's native platform via web, desktop, or mobile app. Once those 5 prompts are running, you can schedule them or do them manually. This tool allows you to cross-reference your inboxes, your notes, your project plan, and the hour that you used spent digging through transcripts is now something that you can find out right away. If you're looking for more information on Fellow and their botless recording, check out this video that I made. I will see you on the next one.